Hi everyone and welcome to my video. I am Lebogang Dikane, a Bachelor of Engineering Technology in Electrical Engineering student from the Central University of Technology in the Free State. And I will just be taking you through my design project, but basically the operation on the breadboard. My design project is about the railroad crossing monitored system. Accidents on the level crossing have always been a concern, and I believe it is due to the inappropriate control flow of traffic, and I believe the system which I have designed is the best and effective solution to this matter. The system can be installed or employed rather at the crossing where there are high probabilities of accidents or where there's a need of reliable operation. The basic operation of the system is that if there's no motion detected on the railroad, the gate will remain open, allowing the vehicles to cross over. And if there's any motion detected of the train on the railroad, the gate closes and the drivers in the vehicles will be warned not to cross over. Now that I have given you the information about the project and how it should operate, I think it's time we actually see the project. The vibration sensor over here will detect any vibration on the railroad and will then trigger the ultrasonic sensor. And if the ultrasonic sensor is triggered, there will be warning displayed on the LCD, and the servo will enable the gate to close even if there's any motion detected by the PIR, the motion of the vehicles approaching the crossing. The LDR will then sense any darkness and the relay will energize and enable the LED to go on. All this information will then be sent to the cloud. Now to see it working, there should be vibration. Now let's tilt the breadboard for vibration. Never mind that. And if there's vibration detected on the railroad, the ultrasonic will be triggered. Now the train approaching the crossing, if it reaches a certain distance, there will be warning displayed on the LCD and the gate will remain closed like as it is. If there's no motion detected, the gate will open, allowing vehicles to cross. Now in dark instances, the LDR will sense the darkness and then the coils of the relay will energize and the LED will go on, providing lighting on the crossing. And like I said, if there's a train, there will be a warning displayed and the gate will remain closed. And if there's no train, the gate opens. And this is all the information that will be sent via cloud to the train users or operators. This is the reading for the LDR. For the vibration sensor, it was triggered somewhere here. The distance of the train. And now that the gate has opened, the red button is not on. This is also the PIR readings. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.